Soccer DBB number 228, and that is 2016 Stadium Club Premier one box break. Teams are on the right. Oops, what did I do? Nice thing is Aficionado is 16, 17 years, so you have a shot at Ben Simmons rookie. He doesn't have autographs, but his regular base is going crazy high. Alright guys, here we go. One box of Stadium Club Premier. We got insert Harry Kane for Tottenham, Golazo. We got Roberto Firmino for Liverpool, insert contact sheet. We got gold Mesut Özil, Arsenal. Barclay logo is Joshua King for Bournemouth. Bradley Guzan autograph for Middlesbrough. First autograph from the box, Middlesbrough. Oh, I don't have any top loaders laying around here. I have to put it on the side here. Middlesbrough is Ricky. Alright, gold is Paul Pogba for for Man U, sorry guys. Got first day issue, Ryan Mahrez for Leicester. Oh, that's his second auto already. And it is Maya Yoshida for Southampton. Who has Southampton? Wow, Ricky again. Sorry guys, I feel bad. We have Ryan Mahrez for Leicester. We got Marko Arnautovic for Stoke. Got gold for Chelsea, Diego Costa. We got Southampton, Dusan Tadic. Bournemouth, Charlie Daniels. Harry Kane, Tottenham. Gold is Berahino for West Brom. Harry Kane, Tottenham. Everton, Phil Jagielka, team marks. Andre Gray for Burnley. And that does it for the break, guys. I'm sorry everybody else. That's it. I'm out. Peace. Thanks for joining.